2005 Dodge Ram 1500 5.7 liter V8. Still got factory converters there and there. Then it wires into a single, then 3-inch pipe into a 3-inch to 2.5 Flow FX by Flowmaster muffler. Then a Y pipe, 2 1/4 all the way back into 4-inch by 18 angle cut tips. If you guys want any of this stuff, the tips or the muffler, which is the Flow FX, you can find the link in this description. So there and there, that's what it looks like. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Not bad at all. Sound decibels, go ahead. About 104, 105. Flow FX never disappoints. Got muffler getting home, please. That sounds really good. Let you guys hear on the inside. Really good. 2011 Dodge Ram 1500 HEMI 5.7 liter V8. HEMI. It's got stock converters there and there. Then it wires into a single 3-inch all the way back. Then we added a pipe where we cut the original muffler off and put a Flowmaster 40 series right there. You have to angle it like that. That's how the original muffler comes. And then we put 5-inch tips by 18s, which, if you guys can see, looks a lot better, a lot cleaner. There's the old 3-inch tips we took off of it. There's the 5-inch tips right there. Man, that looks so good. Let us know in the comments. We left the resonators on it too. You didn't want it too loud. There it is. Give it gas. Sound decibels? Go ahead. Right at 100. So it's perfect. Not too loud, not too quiet. Let you guys hear on the inside. Dodge Ram. 2017 Dodge Ram 1500. Nice, beautiful lime color, green. It's got stock converters there and there. And it goes into a Y pipe 3-inch. And he ordered the Flowmaster kit, just the muffler setup. Do a muffler swap for a Flowmaster right there. I'll give you guys the part number in a second. And then left the same tailpipes. And there's the old muffler right here. And the Flowmaster part number is 817633. It's the Outlaw Direct Fit from 2009 to 2019 Flowmaster Dodge Magnums. And that's how they're installed. It's the Outlaw series. That sounds phenomenal. I like it. Nice green lime color. This is at idle. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Have a good one. (2019) Dodge Ram 1500 5.7 liter HEMI. HEMI? And it's not Dodge, guys. Ram, sorry. Ram 1500. It's got stock converters there and there. Has 13,000 miles. Then 3-inch pipe. We continued the 3-inch, did a muffler delete with a Flowmaster Super 10. And we still has the resonators there and there. And we put massive 5-inch tips right there and right there. It's the Big Horn edition. So you know it's gonna sound good. And now it looks good. I don't know why they don't do that from the factory. Let you guys hear it in a second. Go ahead. Oh, much better. There's sound decibels. 105. What do you think? Sounds good. Like it? Let you guys hear it on the inside.